Hello all, this is the continuation video of the previous video. So within the previous video we have made an bar plot. So we can, and also multiple bar plot. We can, in this video we are going to make stacked bar plot. So before seeing that, we can just see an quick recap of the previous video. So for that we have made a bar plot, simple bar plot only, with some x-axis mentioning some courses and y-axis with number of students. So for that, this is the code we are using. We are determining x variable and y variable, and then we are making a figure, plotting a bar plot, and then giving x label, y label, title, show, and within the bar we are calling its color and width. So within the multiple bar plot, the same as x variable and y variable, but previously only one x variable will be called, but in this case three x variable will be called, and I'm sorry, here is no y variable. But we are giving only the things like y label as students, number of students passed, then a 3x variable which we are calling, we are defined here, that is what are the values we are giving, and then we are making a position for the three variables we have given, and then we are determining three separate bars for these three separate variables, and to differentiate them we are giving three different colors, and then we are also labeling them, and then we are determining the x label, y label, and also x ticks. X ticks is the thing which is we are having over here. It will be not having in the single plot, that is simple bar plot, but here since we are using some different things, we are using over here's a multiple bar plot. Then in this work we are going to work with stacked bar plot. So this is what the stacked bar plot will look like. So this will be used in cases if you are working with some determination of teamwork, but two different teams are working, but here we have worked with only two different teams. So if you are interested with the two to three different teams or four means, you can just make it as a four, but here we have given only two values. So first is the boys and girls, the number of thing is four. So, team is four, we can notice the number of team is four. Then boys and girls. So how many boys are working in the, so in team 1 20 boys are working, and in team 2 25 girls have contributed. Sorry, team 1 20 boys and 25 girls, team 2 35 boys and 32 girls, likewise it will take. And within the first team 20, if we are giving the boys, here I have given the boys plot only first, so the boys plot will only come first, and after that comes the girl plot. Likewise for every team. So from the stack plot we can determine that team 2 is taking the first place, next team 3, and also you can just determine which area is high, whether boys contribution or girls contribution. For that we have given some standard also. Then we are giving a width, and we have also made to arrange those things, and then we are making two bars, that is for the boys and girls. So for the boys we are giving this thing boy standard, and for the girls thing we are giving the girl standard, and then the y label we are giving, the title is team contribution, and here we are giving both x ticks and y ticks. X ticks we are giving as t1, t2, t3, and t4, and within y ticks we are that is changing the values till by 10 count, that is 0 10 20 and all till 80. So that is the thing which is given over here. Then legend we have given as boys and girls. So that is p1 is boys and p2 is girls. P1 and p2 already we have declared over here. So this is the plot for stacked bar plot. In the next video we will be working with the histogram bar plot. Thank you.